Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for your kitchen appliances, the best replacement bulb for GE microwaves.
If you've ever struggled with a dim or burnt-out bulb in your microwave, you'll want to stick around for this review.
Our spotlight today is on the halogen light bulb by UP2WIN, designed specifically for GE, Samsung, Kenmore Elite, and Maytag microwaves. It's known for its reliability and easy installation, making it a popular choice among microwave owners. This bulb boasts a G8 bi-pin base, operating at 120 volts with a 20-watt power rating. It's crafted to fit perfectly into over-the-stove range microwaves, commonly referred to as hood lights or stove lights. Each pack includes two bulbs, replacing part numbers WB25X10019 and WB36X10213.
Installing these bulbs is a breeze.
Simply unscrew the glass cover of your microwave, remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out, and gently pop in the new bulb. It's a quick fix that ensures your microwave stays illuminated whenever you need it.
What sets this bulb apart?
Besides its compatibility and ease of use, customers love its durability and the brightness it brings to their microwaves. It's a cost-effective solution compared to professional repairs or replacements, ensuring you get the most out of your appliance. To wrap up, if you're in need of a reliable replacement bulb for your GE microwave, look no further than the UP2WIN halogen light bulb. It's designed to shine bright and last long, making it a favorite among kitchen enthusiasts.
Before you go,
don't forget to check the description box below for more details and where to purchase this bulb.
if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.